My name is Akinyemi Precious of WAEC, and I was 5th in the 2023 UTME challenge. I found out about the challenge on the app, and I got to know about the app because back then in school it was quite compulsory for UTME candidates. And my sister also used the app, so I decided to get the app when I wanted to write UTME in 2023. The UTME simulation feature was very useful. It helped to get familiar with past questions and to work on time management. And then there was also the study feature where you would get answers to questions immediately, and the mock feature where there would be no corrections. You had a fixed amount of time to answer a particular set of questions. It was, I think my favorite would be the UTME simulation because it helps me to get used to the UTME interface and to get familiar with online tests taken. I had 335 in the actual UTME. And I would say the challenge helps to keep me on my toes every week, because I believe when you know it is a competition and that you are not the only one vying for the sport, you are more likely to put in more effort. So that's how the UTME challenge helped me. I used to spend about 3 to 4 hours every day because I was preparing for another exam at this point, so I could not go past that limit. I would read textbooks and focus a lot on past questions using the app. First, I would like to appreciate God for the opportunity to be here today and TestDriller for giving me this platform. I would say to every student to believe in themselves, believe in yourself, study hard, and use the TestDriller app. I want to say thank you to my friends and family for their support throughout the journey. I would also say instead of getting physical past questions that are going to be very bulky and expensive, you can just get the TestDriller app for a very affordable price, where you can carry your past questions anywhere you go.